Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another cooking video using my solo campfire wood gas stove because I love cooking on wood. And I'm going to be using my flat top grill. It's a rather large grill, and let's take a look at it. This grill I've had for quite a while. It's pretty thick. It's mild steel. It's really good to cook on. Really like it. It takes a while to heat up because of the thickness, but this video is going to be about me using this, and I'm going to be cooking a breakfast meal different than the last one I did because it's going to have some stuff in it that I normally don't eat because of my diet, carbohydrates, and it's not the healthiest meal, but it's really good. So I'm going to get the fire started and start cooking. While I got the fire going, it's gasifying really nice. And it's heating up the grill. I'm getting smoke off the bottom of the grill from the last cook. The thing it's standing on, I had to burn off a ton of paint on it to keep it from smoking. I described that in another video, and it's really not worth buying. First, bacon. Let me get this on there. And this thing is kicking out flames. Bacon's starting to sizzle. Now this solo stove is their biggest cook stove. And it can be used also as a fire pit, which we've done. The other solo stoves are fire pits, but people do cook off of them. We cooked off of our Ranger. And as you can see, flames are a problem sometimes, depending on the shape of the pan you're cooking with. And this is burning right now, probably at its peak. So there's a lot of flame coming off. We'll do a flame check then when I get the bacon put on. Now, because this bacon's going to cook quicker than I thought it would. Oh! Why I cook on a wood burning stove with all the flames? Well, because to me, it's part of an experience. I can use propane, light it up, cook it, get done with it, need it. But man, this is missing something. And what it's missing is burning wood, kind of like a campfire. And I really like that. Now, let's do a flame check to see how much what it is doing underneath the pan. Let me get this going. That's a little bit warm even underneath the pan. This breakfast I don't do very often. I haven't done it actually in quite a while. But it is good. Now I'm loading it up again because I want to make sure it's hot. just cook the bacon until you get to the crispiness that you want. Mine's about where I want it. Alright, now with this grill, I can move them off to the side. And get my hash brown. And plenty of salt. The bacon I buy is uncured, so it's not real salty, which is why I buy it. I'm going to add, because this isn't quite level, I want to get this all the way through it. Coconut oil. You can hear it start frying up. Oh yeah. And these potatoes, again, cook them to the crispiness that you want. Now, if you're looking for perfect hash browns and perfect bacon and perfect eggs, you're not going to be using one of these stoves. This is like outdoors. This is why I use it. Now, I'm checking the stove because part of the thing about this is timing. And one of the things that I did not time out was a plate, because I didn't bring one out. So I'm going to have to go in there and get a plate real quick. Alright, I got my plate. So this is cooking enough to where I'm going to go on to the next phase. Wrong pan. And I'm putting all of this stuff in the pan that's full of beaten eggs. I'm going to mix it up. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to put some oil on the grill to get it ready to go. And I don't know if this camera's working because I left it under there and it got hot. So that is bonehead move number 1 today. That wasn't very bright. No, I think I just fried my camera. That'll teach me. So you may not get any flame check. Which is part of this video. This is the 3rd time I've tried to make it and things kept going wrong, so I might have just toasted off the camera. Hopefully this will get done, edit it, and put out there so I'll never have to do this video again because, man, it has been a bear. Now, this is actually looking real good, and the timing has worked out real good because the fires are dying down. It's died down, and I may try to finish off just on the heat that's coming up off the embers. Man. Okay, the cheese is melting. This actually worked out really good. The fire, all the flames are gone. So this worked out perfect. And that's what you're aiming for when you're doing this. Now, when I prepared the eggs, I put in hot sauce because I like things a little bit warm. So, let's see what this tastes like. All right, here goes. Oh, I don't have this very much, but when I do, it is so good with those potatoes in it and the bacon. You can use sausage or whatever meat you want, or you don't have to have meat. And the cheese. Man, this is really good. And I would advise you, if you can, start cooking on wood and start cooking outdoors. Well, if you cook on wood, you're going to be cooking outdoors because you don't want a big fire in the middle of your kitchen. But anyway, thanks for watching, and this is really, really good. Wrong button. I told you this video was a curse. Alright, well, I've got a picture, which is better than a minute ago. So, while you're watching the video, if you see flames from underneath, this thing survived. If you don't, it didn't survive. And hopefully the next one will go without incident. Thanks for watching.